I've got the remedy. The remedy is an experience. It is a dangerous liaison. I say it's a comedy. Is that serious? And it's strange enough, go play on words. I see the tragedies. How you gonna spend the rest of your life with a light on? So shine the light on all of your friends. Cause it all amounts to nothing in the end. So, I have got the remedy. Today we're talking about a natural cough remedy. And this one excites me because if you think back to when you're sick, automatically you go for the orange, right? The orange, the vitamin C, the flu, you think orange. But did you ever come to think about its cousin, the pineapple? Because the pineapple has as much vitamin C as an orange does, but it also has something called bromelain, which is an enzyme in a pineapple that helps to suppress coughs. It helps to loosen mucus. And so if you're sick or you come down with a cold or the flu and you're having trouble coughing, no need to reach for that cough medicine trick anymore. This is the natural cough remedy. And we're going to create a juice today that you can drink when you're feeling down in the dumps. Wrap it in some parsley. Parsley is amazing for the lungs. If you think of the doctrine of signatures, this is the lungs, right? So we've got cough, lungs, ginger, and the ginger's good for the all-round body. So let's put it together today. We've got half a small pineapple, we've got a bit over a handful of parsley leaves, and we've got like a thumb-sized bit of ginger. Natural cough remedy. Now, you could heat it up, you could add in some honey, or you can have it raw. Yeah, but I'm a sucker for pineapple any day of the week, and this stuff's going to help you whether you're good, bad, or feeling under the weather. So get onto this, the natural cough remedy, and let us know how it goes.